Hi guys, welcome to my video. So today I'm showing you guys how I got these fringe bangs on this pre-cut lace glueless wig from Unice hair. Shout out to them for sponsoring this video. So I'm showing you guys what the hairline is looking like straight out of the box. I didn't have to do anything to it. The only thing that I did have to do is add some foundation, which I'm doing in this clip, just to make sure that everything blends in when I go ahead and put it on, because we hate that, or I hate that white cast when you put the wig on and it doesn't have any tint to it. So I'm just doing that beforehand before I'm putting on the wig. Now you guys just see me installing or putting it on just to make sure that everything is nice and good. Now I did like the fact that this wig was pre-plucked, but honestly I wanted to go in and pluck just a little bit more, just to my liking. Now this is fine, or could be fine for some people, but it's just my preference just to have a little bit of a thinner hairline. So I'm just going to go in and pluck a little bit more, which is what you guys will be seeing in these next few clips.
Soon as I feel up, I'm about to pop up on your phone like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, 2 turn, baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right, gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. 2 turn, baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in it.
Right outside, PT, 2 turn, baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. 2 turn, baby girl, you know me.
Yeah.
Work. To me, I be work. See me do me dirt. Just tell me about that work. When you walk a line. In the cafe, drive me a dessert. Nothing to be lurking.
Yeah.
You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the rice. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work. To me, I be work. You see me do me dirt.
Now after I'm done creating my baby hairs, I'm just gonna go in and take my flat iron and make sure that everything up at the top is nice and flat. I would typically use my hot comb, but honestly I think I broke my hot comb like a minute ago. So I'm just gonna go in with my flat iron and make sure that everything is nice and flat, because we love a nice and then I'm just gonna go in with my wax stick just to make sure that everything is nice and flat. I love using my wax stick, especially after I flat iron my hair, because it makes everything just extra flat and stick in place, especially when you have those extra flyaways. Now in these next few clips, you guys are just going to be seeing me measure where to cut my fringe bangs and how I cut them. Now I usually like to start with the place that I'm gonna go and have my bangs in the front first, because that kind of sets the tone for where I'm gonna cut the rest of my hair. Now if you made it this far in my video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below. And in these next few clips, you guys are just gonna be seeing me cut the layers of my fringe bangs into my hair.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on his head, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in a case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling, rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside. Front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me. Look, don't invite me over if you throw another pretty party. Looking back, it's hard to tell you where I started. I don't know who loved me, but I know that it ain't everybody. I can never love her, she a busybody. Baby, if you want me, can't be turning up with everybody. Nah, can't be fucking on this anybody. Yeah, I got feelings for you, that's the thing about it. Yeah, you know that it's something when I sing about it. Yeah, mama used to be on disability, but gave me this ability. And now she walking with her head high and her back straight. I don't think you feeling me, I'm out here being everything they said I wouldn't be, it couldn't be. I don't know what happened to them guys that said they would be. I said, see you at the top and they misunderstood me. I hold no resentment in my heart, that's that maturity. And we don't keep it on us anymore, it's with security. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside. Front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me.
Rolling 80 wheels and it'll save you. Gotta roll OT, gotta give and release. Spread your legs downtown, so I'm going out to eat. Hit the raw sounds when I rock, I be sleepy. I'ma roll on them forever, let them roll on me. Split this one down the middle, wake up in harmony.
A claps. Don't close your eyes to get away. Just make my line and I'll arrange it. Beautiful girl, you're stainless. You be
apartment, put you inside a G-class. That's just a starter kit. Plenty things count in life, but none of them is the thought of it. New piece around my neck, this chess games. Cause shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon. Swear I'm more purple rain prince than Prince Charming. Disappointment, I stay expecting it. The pessimist, gold medalists, flush the magnums just so they not collecting my specimens down.
Claps.
Like I said in the beginning of this video, it is glueless, and I just want to show you guys how easy it is to remove this wig. Literally take it up, pop it back down. This wig is so easy to install. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in my next video.